Hello guys, Christian here. For the first video of this year, I want to show you SOLIDWorks CAM and CAMWorks. So, as a lot of you may know, last year SOLIDWorks launched its own CAM software which is powered by CAMWorks. What does this powered by CAMWorks mean? Well, let me tell you that SOLIDWorks CAM it's a little part of a great product which is CAMWorks. But another issue I want to establish from the beginning. SOLIDWorks CAM and CAMWorks are two different products sold by two different companies. The Sol System, it's the owner of SOLIDWorks and it sells SOLIDWorks CAM. HEL, it's the owner of CAMWorks and it sells, of course, CAMWorks. A lot of you are asking me if CAMWorks still exists and if CAMWorks still sell 2.5-axis license. The answer is yes. So, in the beginning, let me show you a little presentation which I found on the CAMWorks site. So, SOLIDWorks CAM runs under a SOLIDWorks license. There are two types of licenses of SOLIDWorks CAM. As you can see here, SOLIDWorks CAM Standard and SOLIDWorks CAM Professional. In SOLIDWorks CAM Standard, you have the 2.5-axis and limited 3-axis milling with AFR and 3-axis limited. It means area clearance, flat area, and Z-level finishing, and of course all the standard feature. This standard license of SOLIDWorks CAM, it's free if you have a SOLIDWorks CAM license under subscription. SOLIDWorks CAM Professional means all the above, but 4 and 5 axis positioning, volume 2.5 axis, and turning for CNC lathes. So this is where SOLIDWorks CAM ends. CAMWorks launched also some milling bundles like Standard, Milling Professional, Turning Professional, and the last one it's Premium. So in CAMWorks Standard you will have the rotary milling, the advanced 3-axis milling with the advanced algorithm, Milter, okay. Moving to Milling Professional and Turning Professional and Premium, you have the virtual machine, the 5-axis simultaneous milling, and the synchronized machining. So, to be honest, SOLIDWorks CAM it's a good product, but if you have complex part, go to work CAMWorks reseller, or just to be sure, send me a message on my LinkedIn and I will guide you through the process. Another great thing is SOLIDWorks CAM has all the enhancements of the new version of CAMWorks. SOLIDWorks CAM and CAMWorks have the same post-processor. Another good thing that, and I will show you later, SOLIDWorks CAM has already a library of post-processor. The technology database, the new interface is the same in CAMWorks and SOLIDWorks CAM. So now I open SOLIDWorks CAM. As you can see, it's SOLIDWorks CAM. All the icons are like in CAMWorks, you will see later, and all the new enhancements of CAMWorks 19, you will recognize it by this new function coordinate system and of course a lot of enhancements. So a simple part, 2.5-axis part. Let's start from the beginning. The machine, you will see the same interface like CAMWorks, but 4 and 5 and turn machine are disabled because right now I have a SOLIDWorks CAM standard license. The tool crib and the post processor, as I told you, you will have a library with all the important controllers in the market. And then the process is the same for, just like in CAMWorks, if you have complex parts. The stock manager, the coordinate system, the new function in 18 CAMWorks, and then the powerful and free of charge extract machinable features, then generate operation plan, and generate toolpath. As you can see, when I open a part, operation, you'll have this new preview of the parameters photos, which is available in the CAMWorks 18. Generate toolpath, simulate toolpath, the toolpath simulation new window. You can always stop it, show difference, so this just like in CAMWorks. Of course, you can post-process, generate a setup sheet. If you generate a setup sheet, these are the templates. If you have questions, just feel free to ask me. So I can post-process just like in CAMWorks. And another good thing is SOLIDWorks CAM comes along with the new CAMWorks CNC editor, which is Simco. If you have experience in CNC programming, you will always recognize this Simco interface. SOLIDWorks CAM and CNC editor, it's CAMWorks CNC editor, and both of them are powered by Simco. Okay, so moving on. This is a simple 2.5 axis part. I can always edit just like in CAMWorks. So just let me show you what is available in 3 axis. Just a quick review. What can you insert it? So as a 3 axis mill operations, you will have the arc clearance, Z level, and flat area. So this is SOLIDWorks CAM. If you have questions about SOLIDWorks CAM, feel free to ask me. I will prepare some tutorials, some videos about SOLIDWorks CAM and post it on my LinkedIn later in the next month. But now let's try the same part in CAMWorks. So now I open the same part in CAMWorks. All the icons are the same. Of course, in CAMWorks you will have 2 tabs. It's CAMWorks 18 workflow and CAMWorks. So the operations, all the icons are the same, but one quick difference is if you select the multi-surface feature, when you insert a 3-axis operation, you will have now all the 3-axis operation available for you. You will always have multi-axis mill operation. So this is one of the big difference. Of course, the same are available. CAMWorks still sell 2.5 axis licenses, so you will always have all the strategies in 2.5 axis and of course more. But I just want to show you in this video SOLIDWorks CAM and CAMWorks. You need to see it together because everybody should understand that SOLIDWorks CAM and SOLIDWorks choose as its own CAM software CAMWorks. SOLIDWorks is the best CAD platform in the market, in the world. This is not an issue. And this software chooses its own CAM software CAMWorks. A lot of competitors of CAMWorks have platform modules inside a SOLIDWorks license. It's just like SolidCAM, BobCAM, DelCAM, and so on. But SOLIDWorks choose to develop its own product on the CAMWorks environment. So I hope right now it is clear that SOLIDWorks CAM and CAMWorks are the same until one point. If you have, let's say, little complex parts, you can always use SOLIDWorks CAM, but if you have a complex part, you can use CAMWorks. If you want to buy in the first time for a simple part, 2.5 axis part CAMWorks, yes, you can buy it right now for a CAMWorks reseller. Also, for CAMWorks resellers, there is for a CAMWorks future customer, there is a possibility to upgrade it from a SOLIDWorks CAM professional to CAMWorks, but for this you need to talk to the reseller in your country. As you may know by now, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me via my LinkedIn or YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.